Is your 2013-2014 Cadillac XTS key fob not working reliably? A dead battery is the most common culprit. Replacing it yourself is a simple and cost-effective DIY task, saving you time and money compared to a dealership visit. This video will guide you through the process, step by step. The 2013-2014 Cadillac XTS key fob uses a CR2032 3-volt lithium coin cell battery. This small, round battery provides the power needed for the key fob's remote functions. These CR2032 batteries are widely available at most drugstores, electronics stores, and online retailers for under $5. You can find them easily when you need a replacement. For optimal performance and longevity, ensure you purchase a quality brand. Cheap alternatives may not last as long or could cause issues with the key fob. To confirm you have the right battery, double-check the old battery for the CR2032 identifier printed on it. This ensures you're getting an exact match for your Cadillac XTS key fob. You'll need just a couple of basic tools for the replacement: a small flathead screwdriver for prying open the fob, or a plastic pry tool to prevent scratches on the casing, your new CR2032 battery, and a soft cloth or towel to protect the fob casing during disassembly. First, locate the small notch on the side or bottom of your key fob. This is where you'll insert your tool. If your key fob has a physical key attached, remove it first to avoid any interference. Insert your flathead screwdriver or a plastic pry tool into the notch you located. Gently twist or pry the tool to separate the two halves of the fob casing. Be careful not to apply excessive force, as this could damage the plastic casing of your key fob. With the key fob opened, you'll see the CR2032 battery inside. Pay attention to its orientation. The positive side, marked with a plus sign, should be facing up. Using your fingernail or the tip of a screwdriver, gently pry the old battery out of its holder. Be careful not to damage the contacts or the fob casing. Now insert the new CR2032 battery, ensuring the positive side faces up, just like the old one. Press it firmly into place. To reassemble the key fob, start by carefully aligning the two halves of the casing, making sure all edges match up properly. Next, press the two halves firmly together until you hear or feel them snap back into place. Make sure the seam is completely flush all the way around the fob. Finally, if you removed a physical key earlier in the process, reinsert it into the fob now. Press the buttons on your key fob to test its functionality. Verify that the lock, unlock, and trunk release functions are working properly. If the fob doesn't respond, double-check the battery orientation and that the fob is fully closed. In rare cases, you may need to resync the fob to your vehicle. Now let's cover some practical tips, troubleshooting advice, and look ahead to the future of key fobs. For battery replacement, consider rechargeable CR2032 options. These provide cost savings and are better for the environment compared to disposable batteries. Battery life in your XTS key fob typically lasts 1 to 2 years with normal daily use. If you encounter persistent issues after battery replacement, such as the fob not working or losing sync, a visit to your dealership may be necessary for reprogramming. Always recycle your old battery properly. Lithium coin cells contain valuable materials and should not go in regular trash. Looking to the future, key fob technology is evolving away from battery dependence. Trends include smartphone integration for digital keys and battery-less systems using kinetic energy harvesting or NFC technology. As shown here, NFC allows wireless communication without batteries, and smartphone apps can replace physical keys entirely. Stay informed about these advancements to make the most of your Cadillac XTS key system.